we're about to go over some maneuvers and techniques that you can use against those Southpaw guys. But Southpaw, we're still here for you. You can do the same thing, but vice versa. So all the techniques and combos that we give to you, both sides can be used. I know you're going to enjoy it and you're going to learn a lot from this. Here we go. First things first, we're going to make sure that our lead foot is slightly outside of his. Second, I'm going to keep my hand up, not to the side of my eyebrow. I'm going to keep it up, all right? It's like a bar. Because, again, only thing he can do is that straight hand. Boom, I'm protected. Here, oh, it's going to be too fast. So chin down, of course, have that bar there, and look to have the foot on the outside, okay? Move, just like that. How do we get to the outside? Simple. Shoulder movement, lead touch, parrying, stepping at the same time, just like it sounds. Shoulder movement, I'm not a statue. Shoulder movement, Bob, touching and parrying at the same time. Shoulder movement, Bob, and parrying at the same time. That's going to allow me to take that step, and as soon as I take that step, that's when we can do our movements. That's when we can do our attacks. Good. Good. Next on deck, you have to prepare. The strongest weapon of the Southpaw and the Orthodox when we're fighting each other is the rear kick, the rear weapons. When you're doing this, you're not going to stand straight up. Here, I take the angle. I'm not going to go straight up. His strongest weapon is the body kick. You body kick, I'm straight up. It's not going to work. I won't be strong enough if I'm straight up. Bob. Take that angle, look, I'm already ready. So that's what you have to do. As soon as you take that angle, boom, you already ready. Look, my foot it's not straight, it's open already. I'm leaning a little bit. My foot is off the ground. I'm not standing straight up, and then I'm body kicking. Good, again, good. And if, very nice. So that's proper stepping, that's proper positioning after you take that angle, after you get outside that lead foot. Holding your hands good. I'm looking at the waist, stepping outside, foot off the ground, down for defense, off the ground for offense. If we're that close, we're always going to be looking to shoot that offensive shot. Also, I'm always looking to shoot. Boom! Always looking to shoot. Before we give the combinations, we'll give you a few basic movements. Again, the rear, work that rear, guys. If you fight somebody Southpaw or Southpaw, you fight somebody Orthodox, look for that rear shot. I don't care if it's a knee, if it's a number two, if it's a body kick, but we're looking for our strong side, okay? That's the advantage. The basic move first is the body kick. He took the angle, his foot is already open, and from there you wham, you body kick. Take the angle, and he wham. If you notice, he had a good distance between him. So that's important too, guys, when you're doing this footwork. When I'm taking this angle, I'm not gonna be right here. I'm very close. I want to have a good distance between us. So remember, the legs are longer than the arms, so if I can touch you, I can kick you. I'm going to touch, take that angle. Look where I'm at. My hands are up to protect from the punches. I took the angle. He still hasn't turned. I'm looking at the target. Wham! Back down to perfect stance, to perfect. A technique that you can use if they're trying to catch the body kick, because that's a very basic move, right? They're either going to catch it or try to block. If they do that catch, that underhook catch, you just simply pull back, you snatch back. So take the angle and hit it again. Bop, bop, and he snatch it. That's how you do it. They won't be able to catch it. That's how you stop the underhook. If they're Southpaw, or if you're a Southpaw fighting the Orthodox, and they try to catch that basic rear kick after you make that angle, with that underhook, snatch back. One more time, take that angle. I'm going to try to underhook catch, okay? Yeah, there we go. Like sometimes these guys, they want to punch through it. If they want to punch through it, there's a couple ways that you can do that. So we go body kick to strong guard to floating. Just in case they try to run through it, you have that teep. Body kick, strong guard to floating teep. If he tries to use that punch, you teep immediately. If he doesn't, it's okay. You still have insurance, and then you go back to your regular guard. Bop, bong, and then you teep, good. The next technique that we're going to give you, if they try to catch that basic body kick after you make that angle, kick punch is very effective. Touch, I'm taking the angle. I have it now. I don't know if he's going to punch through. I don't know if he's going to catch. It really doesn't matter. If he catches, try to catch, kick, punch, boom. Okay, this left hand is going to be up. As soon as I bang, bang, take that angle. Here it is. Move, yab, touch, bang, kick, boom, boom. Yes, that's very effective. Kick, punch. Touching the guard, taking the angle, lead foot outside of theirs, basic body kick with the kick punch. Next technique that we're going to give you guys to use against the Southpaw or like we keep saying, the southpaw against the orthodox, is the rear knee. And the best thing about this is you don't even have to take the angle. You just have to, use your proper distance and your timing. Here, pop, pop, rear knee, straight from there. Give me rear knee, good. You wanna grab the hands when you're throwing this rear knee because what's my biggest shot? That big punch, yeah, that can put you down quick. So when you're doing this, guys, you wanna be wary of that rear shot. Touch here, touch. See, I have my shield here, not here on my eyebrow, right down the middle of my forehead, damn near. Touch, and then one long pull, one long grab. That's it. So pop here, if protected, knee. Grab their hands in long knees, not a short knee, it's a long knee. Very good, quick, boom, grab. Make sure you get their hands, you pull and you knee. We've already landed our kick, we've already used our angles. Before you throw this, if they're closing the distance like that, you want to feint with the rear leg also. I'm southpaw. Oop. There we go. That's good, sir. Very good. Straight rear knee. Also, a little bit of extra sauce. You can add your flavor into that. It's still the rear knee, but you can give the straight hand to the rear knee. Guys, we're giving you moves that you can add to improvise with, okay? So we've given you the rear knee. What if his guard is tight and he's expecting the rear knee? Now you have to open it up with the straight hand to the rear knee. What if he's expecting the straight hand to the rear knee now, and now he lacks confidence on coming forward? Now you give him the straight hand, he goes backwards, then you body kick. Boom, boom, yes. So now we're giving you some knees, the legs. What about for those hands? Hands are very effective when you're going against that opposite fighter. Again, we're starting from the principles. I want a little bit outside, little bit outside, little bit outside. That opens up to straight, bang, hook, bang, leg kick, boom. This all starts from the feet. So if I'm touching, Bob, and I get that slight angle, I'm safe now. I feel safe. My right hand is up. So I'm offside the line now. Uppercut, straight, leg kick, or I'm outside the line now, straight hand, hook, leg kick. I'm kicking both of his legs. Wham! All you have to do, guys, is just get outside the line. If they aren't holding their hand up here, like most people don't, straight shot, boom. Not here, straight, up, straight, boom. That's going to open up everything. What do I want to do now? Body shot, leg, straight hand this time, hook. Now I go to the knee, knee. All right, so the basic principle is just getting outside the line. That allows you to throw your shots. Keep it simple. Straight hand, uppercut, hook, body shot, uppercut, hook, leg kick. It doesn't matter. You choose. Choose whatever you want to, but you just use that principle. Touch, touch, touch. Get slightly outside of his lead foot. Slightly, slightly. Boop, see? I've already got him. Bop, boom, boom, boom. Knee. So be very, very sneaky when it comes to that. That's a quick snippet of the full version of this video that can be found on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workout program. All you have to do is click that link at the pinned comment in the description and enjoy over 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai from the ground up. Also, check out our shop link for all your KMA Muay Thai training gear and apparel and get dripped out with us. And don't forget, gang, check out this next video right here for more Muay Thai training tutorials on our YouTube channel. We know that you're going to enjoy it.